Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games Engine Battle Episode 14. Today's competing engines are Luke, Adventurer Nia, Party Time Carly, Racing Diesel, Duck, Gold Thomas, Party Time Sandy, and Merlin. Now, let's get started with the quarterfinals. Luke versus Adventurer Nia.
Ready, set, go! And off. Looks like Adventurer Nia moves on to the semifinals.
Next up, Party Time Carly versus Racing Diesel.
Oh, Racing Diesel qualifies for the second round. Semifinals, yeah. And then
Duck versus Golden Thomas.
Who's gonna make it? It's Duck making it to the semifinals.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Party Time Sandy versus Merlin.
Oh, almost a gold digger meme. But anyways,
Semi-finals time with Adventurer Nia versus Racing Diesel.
with 4 engines remaining. Oh,
Adventurer Nia is off to the finals. Who will she face, Duck or Merlin?
I say it's Duck.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Adventurer Nia and Duck are in the finale.
Go digger meme time! Adventurer Nia is the winner! Anyway, we're gonna get some pictures in.
Don't stop dancing because of me.